Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Zendesk for project task workflows and ticket plans. Complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Zendesk account. Navigate to the Admin Center by clicking the gear icon in the sidebar. In the Admin Center, locate and select the Workflows option from the menu. From the Workflows section, click on Triggers. Here, you will find a list of existing triggers. To create a new trigger, click on the Add Trigger button. Name your trigger something descriptive that reflects its purpose. In the Meet all of the following conditions section, add the conditions that must be met for the trigger to activate. For project task workflows, you might set conditions based on ticket status or priority. Next, scroll down to the Actions section. Click on Add Action to choose what happens when the trigger is activated. Select actions such as notifying a team member or assigning the ticket to a specific group. Once you've configured your actions, review your trigger to ensure everything is set correctly. Click the Save button to finalize your new trigger. Next, navigate back to the Workflows menu and select Automations. Click on the Add Automation button to create a new automation preset. Similar to triggers, give your automation a clear name that represents its purpose. Define the conditions for when this automation should run, focusing on time-based criteria or ticket properties. In the Actions section, select tasks that should be executed automatically, like escalating a ticket. After reviewing your automation settings, click Save. To link your project task workflows with ticket plans, go back to the Admin Center. Under Apps and Integrations, find and select Ticketing. Within ticketing, explore the existing plans or create a new ticket plan that aligns with your project tasks. Define criteria for how tickets will be categorized and prioritized within your project workflows. Once you complete your ticket plan setup, save your changes. With everything configured, test your triggers and automations to ensure they perform as expected. Simulate scenarios to confirm that tasks are being assigned and notifications are being sent. Monitor the results closely to make adjustments as necessary for optimal performance. Your Zendesk is now activated for project task workflows and ticket plans. Congratulations on setting up a streamlined process for managing your projects effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.